Let me clean my lens a little quick. Yeah. So hello everyone, I am your therapist from mountains, and I hope you feel that groundedness, that peace, that calm, just as mountains are, just as this place brings you the peace, the calm when you visit mountains. And our discussion for today's video is going to be knowing that what happened in first therapy session. I know a lot of you must have googled it, or maybe asked a friend, or maybe thought about it at 2 a.m. at night, that होता क्या है फर्स्ट थेरेपी सेशन में, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए फर्स्ट थेरेपी सेशन से. तो आपके जितने भी डाउट्स हैं एंड मे बी क्वेश्चंस हैं अबाउट what happened in first therapy session is going to go away. I'll be helping you out with all the questions, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Okay, so here's the deal. See, first session, I know it can be scary for a lot of people because first of all you feel like ये इंसान मुझे जज तो नहीं कर रहा है, क्या जो मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ क्या ये बिल्कुल सेफ़ रहेगी ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कहीं जाके बता देंगे हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को या मे बी किसी रिलेटिव को. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी अश्योर यू दैट कि हमें जो भी ट्रेंड थेरेपिस्ट है, हम सबको ट्रेन किया जाता है विद ऑल द एथिकल प्रिंसिपल्स, राइट. सो सबसे पहला हमारा एथिकल प्रिंसिपल इज अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, राइट, एंड प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद नॉन जजमेंटल एनवायरनमेंट. ठीक है, सो जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट being कि you will be judged there or you will not be able to feel safe there, because हमारा सबसे पहला job है is to make you feel safe and comfortable. So maybe your therapist can start with a very simple question like maybe how are you feeling today, or maybe what brought you to this session. So this is a kind of an icebreaker question that's going to help you kind of engage in a conversation. So even if you don't have any answers to it, it's totally fine, it's totally okay. So maybe you're meeting somebody new, but there'll always be a doubt behind your back that कि मुझे जज तो नहीं कर रहा है. So even if you have this doubt, you just ask away your therapist, or maybe you can reassure and ask for reassurance and assurance again and again from your therapist, because we are being trained in this for a very very long time now. We have rigorous hours of internships and trainings that we are being trained in being non-judgmental towards our clients, right? Basically the first question that you can ask your therapist is that what degree they hold, from where did they do it, so that you also know their credentials and their credibility to whatever matters you are going to discuss with them. See, after you get to know your therapist credentials, the next thing that comes in, because the first session is all about you also trying to know your therapist as well. Okay, your therapist is obviously trying to know you and your history and what are your concerns, but it is also about you, that will this therapist be able to understand my problem, are we even aligning, not aligning, so that is also a thing that you need to keep in mind, right? The next thing that a therapist can do at that point of time is ask for your expectations, right? What maybe brought you to this session, what are your expectations with outcome of this particular session, because see, this session is all about you, so everything happens at your pace. Even if you don't know about what are your expectations that brought you here in the session, or maybe you were undergoing a tough time, maybe for example breakup that brought you to the session, or maybe even if you are not sure about it, maybe you were feeling a little bit off lately and because of that you schedule this session, that's totally fine. You just let your therapist know everything, and the key here is being honest with your therapist, right? Being open with them, having an open chat with them, whatever you are feeling. Even if at some point of time you're feeling like the questions that therapist is trying to ask you here, obviously they're not interrogating you, they're just trying to understand you here. Even if you don't have answers to those questions, you can let them know that the space is too much high for you, you want them to tone it down. So we are going to do it for you, because this session is your session, and everything that matters is about your comfort zone and whatever you want from this session. Now, while you are sharing your concerns that brought you to this session, I'll be doing my thing as a therapist to connect dots there. Or maybe I am trying to ask you such gentle questions that I can get to know you more and more and get to know more of your situation that you are in. Maybe whatever concerns that you have presented me with, I am able to know it on a deeper level, right? See, at some point of time in therapy, I can ask you, what are your goals for therapy? When I say goals, that means are you trying to seek it for long term, short term, or maybe it can be like there can be, a lot of concerns that you have come up with. So what concerns we need to start to discuss first? That's going to be a kind of a discussion, a little bit of discussion here and there about that. But lastly, if you don't have any answers to what your goals are, why you are here, what do you want to achieve from this session, it's okay. Our first step can be finding out what is your goal itself. So it's totally fine. So towards the end of the session, I will sound like we have come to the end of our session, and I will summarize whatever we discussed. ठीक है, हम समराइजेशन क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि आपको भी पता लग जाए हमने क्या क्या चीज़ें डिस्कस करी हैं. ठीक है, सो यू ऑल्सो गेट अ बेटर आइडिया ऑफ कि अच्छा हमने ये डिस्कस किया, हमने ये डिस्कस किया, हमने ये डिस्कस किया, मुझे ये क्लैरिटी मिली. ठीक है, सो अचीवमेंट भी सामने दिख जाती है. ठीक है, एंड सेकेंडली इट ऑल्सो शोज दैट आर वी ऑन द सेम पेज और नॉट. राइट, इट ऑल्सो शोज क्या मैंने समझ लिया, आपको नहीं समझा, एम आई अ थेरेपिस्ट फॉर यू. दिस ऑल्सो आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन, राइट. एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस लाइक हाउ डज दिस वर्क, कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में मुझे सेशन लेना होता है, कि पूरा प्रोसेस कैसे काम करता है, क्या क्या चीज़ें अगले सेशंस में होंगी, स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा. तो ऑल ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. एंड इवन इफ you don't have any questions, that is totally fine. You can take your own time. And just remember, first session is just the start of the journey and not the end. So also along with this, there's a lot of myths related to first session. कि एक सेशन काफ़ी होता है हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए या अपने कंसर्न्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, फर्स्ट सेशन से आपको कोई आंसर्स नहीं मिलेंगे. राइट, फर्स्ट सेशन से आपको ये पता चलेगा कि ये थेरेपिस्ट आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ पाएगा, क्या उन्होंने समझी या समझने की कोशिश करी, क्या मैं इनके साथ अपनी जर्नी कंटिन्यू कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द क्वेश्चन दैट विल बी आंसर्ड हियर. राइट, but I would like to ask all the people out there who is watching this video right now कि जब आप बीमार हो जाते हैं तो डॉक्टर आपको 5 दिन का कोर्स देता है दवाई का. राइट, सो तब तो नहीं nobody ask कि 5 दिन का क्यों लेना है, एक दिन का लेके डोज ठीक हो जाएंगे क्या. राइट, so sessions are also like that. It really needs to happen more oftenly. because at least बोला जाता है कि 48 hours तक का गैप होना चाहिए दूसरे सेशन में. राइट, पर इतनी फ्रीक्वेंसी से लोग ले नहीं पाते हैं. सो एटलीस्ट 1 week gap is fine in that. Right, so try to be continuous with your session, be frequent with your session, so the link between the two sessions are not broken at all. So there you have it all. You have got to know that what happened in first therapy session in a very easier form में आपको मैंने बता दिया है, बिल्कुल सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको बता दिया है कि क्या होता है exactly in first therapy session. See, that it is nothing scary, nothing confusing. Okay, just a safe space for you to start your mental health journey. And if you are seeing this video, this is your sign to start that mental health journey of yours. You can go to the description box, click on the link, and schedule a session if you think that you need that professional help. Also, if you like this video and if you are watching it till now, please hit that subscribe button and like button as well. And I'll be making more of these therapy based YouTube videos more and more. So turn on your notification bar as well, so you get to know whenever a video is uploaded. So bye bye from your therapist from mountains. I am signing off. Ta-da.